clot. I can't. I'm there by myself. Rally never come. The blood clot. I walk home, but not far. I'm so rich home. Thank you, Sher Diamond. Boy, I'm enjoying my blood clot self. Jesus. Listen. Life is for living. Jesus Christ. Life nice, no blood clot. Life sweet, no pussy clot. When you go enjoy yourself. I can't get up every day and be a nuisance to Instagram. No, yeah, eat eyes. Yeah, baby. Thank you, sister. I drink 1 bottle of Moet and 2 bottles of Belvedere. Shh, can't make what I know. I drunk my blood. I go home, go sleep. I'm so rich, What a lucky thing say. Wait. What a lucky thing say. Yeah, enjoy. Of course, good body diva. I have to enjoy myself. I can't get up every day and do. You're crazy. No, sir. Life too nice and so much people are dead. I can't wake up tomorrow. I thank God keep me. God nice my blood clot short. Why am I saying my drink? I'm gonna go walk in the light. People. Exactly. I'm gonna go get the blood clot light. See it? Girl, blood clot. Nice right, Joe. My God. I'm gonna eat the eyes. Life is for living, man. Get out, live your life. Big up yourself, Stormy. We need to live some life. We need to go with friends. Enjoy the blood clot self. Look at every day and they put into the door. I cuss the same cuss, nothing I go on for no. When life sad, no blood clot. I want to say my life sad, my life no sad, my life happy. I just drink 1 bottle of Moet and 2 bottles of blood clot Belvedere and have 1 blood clot bottle under my arm. Oh, my teeth for carry blood clot. Alright, go. No, cussing me crazy. Me, no. Shh. Say me are going fuck all night. Me are going, auntie. Me are going this time for just hide a company life. Blood clot. We're drunk. Anyway, people, have a blessed night. I'm going in. I'm going in. My mama gonna wake him up. Shh. I'm gonna wake up right now. Thank you, Cher. The man that they behind me. But the right side of my house. You don't hear the music? The party still going, but I have to leave it. No, sir, I can't do. Wow, what time now? 1:33. I can't do no more hours. It's too late. I have to go home. People, I have to go home. May I wake up rally right now because I need to get soccer. Why am I not alive? Me have a fat, nice cocky in my bed. Oh God, I'm going to sit down on it right now. Oh God, who vex? Who blood clot vex? I'm not going to fuck that sign of miserable so because if the man did I fuck out to the hole. Oh Jesus. Would it be miserable so every day? Anyway, bye people tomorrow, bye.